All right, hello, Odet. Good morning.
Good morning.
Mm. Yeah, it is morning. It's like 5:30 in the morning or something. Yeah.
Well, thanks for
Anyway, it
waking
doesn't
up
matter.
early for me.
Yeah. Um, okay, so what have you been up to this week? What's been happening?
Well, the market's been pretty volatile for gold, so I've taken a step back from it
Okay.
because there's a lot of market manipulation.
Mm.
So I've been trying this support and resistance trading,
Okay.
and I picked this pair based on some chats we've had,
Yep.
um, not knowing it was a safe haven.
What is this
And
pair? This the
the Swiss and
Swiss,
Japanese pair.
Japan. Okay.
Yeah. So I didn't know it was a safe haven,
Mm.
and it looked like it was at the top of its game and hoping it'd drop or,
Yep.
down through the levels, not realizing that it was just going to keep going and going and going.
Okay. So was this your first order, your first trade, this one?
Yes, it was
So
my
that
first.
that was a sell, was it?
Yes, because it was at the top of its game. It looked
Oh,
like it was
okay.
the upper threshold of its move.
Hmm.
Like it hadn't been anywhere up higher, so it looked like it was going to come down.
Okay.
But I didn't know that this was a safe haven pair, and that when market is uncertain, safe havens are the place where money gets parked.
Yep.
So obviously we've had a lot of very volatile weeks in the market in terms of
Hmm.
news
Yeah.
with the government shutdowns, and I think it was mostly that, and interest rates and the delayed news in America, like, which is sort of, a lot of the bulk of the news has come out overnight.
Hmm.
But the market is still not settled, so it needs to give it a few more days for it to settle.
Yeah, because we
So
also had the big crypto crash as well, and
correct.
AI
Yeah, that's
stocks
crashing.
have all
Yeah, yeah,
plummeted. So yeah, but it looks
yeah.
like when
So
you first got in, anyway, it looked like it was heading down. Looked like a good
yeah, because
thing.
it was at the top.
Hmm.
But who knew there was more top to go?
Yeah.
So I
But
can
what do you think's going to happen here? Do you think it'll come back down?
well, I don't know if it will come down. I feel like it might have a little breather, like it might come
Hmm.
down and have a little breather, but I don't know if it'll come back to where I started my sell.
Okay.
So obviously I
Hmm.
have added cells to it. Luckily I've got margin for it to, bounce around a little bit up the top there,
Okay.
because it's only a point zero 0.01 lot, which I've noticed
Oh, okay.
doesn't
Yeah.
it
That's
doesn't have excessive fees. I think we've spoken about fees in the
yeah.
past.
Yeah.
So far, my swap fees on my largest one is 0.04 cents.
Oh,
So
okay.
that's
Good.
pretty cool. I can hold that. It's just
Yeah.
it's in the red, and it's every time you open it up and it's red, you're like, it gives you the
Hmm.
feels that
I know the feeling. Yeah.
you want to be you want to be blue. You want to be blue, not red. But
Yes.
because it's such a small lot, I'm not freaking out about it. It is it'll play out, and if I'm patient it will start coming down, and I have seen it, my other cells in the blue, so like my other levels. So far I'm in three trades. Do you want me to open up and
Yeah.
share
Sure. Sure.
so I
Sort of.
can?
Before you move
Yeah,
on, okay. This one, I think, since your lot sizes are so small, I'm not telling you what to do. Okay, I'm not giving you
yeah,
advice.
no,
Don't
I'm
listen to
listening.
me.
I'm
But
listening.
what I'm thinking is, okay, people have gone into these two safe um, currencies
Haven, yeah,
because things are volatile. But
correct.
maybe next week things will calm down. Then people will start moving their money out into
Yeah,
other things, and then it'll come back down. So
yeah, yeah.
I think just stick with it.
Stick with it.
That's what I would do. I'd stick
Yeah,
with it because
yeah,
yeah, when things calm down a little bit, people will start taking their money out, and then it'll
correct.
come back down.
It
And
just
yeah,
hasn't had. I was looking at the charts, and it just feels like it's one of those up and up, up kind of
oh, okay, yeah. I'll show
currency.
you
I
one
don't
of
know.
them when I get to my trades.
Oh, look,
Yeah,
it
and
has.
plus, sorry,
Yeah,
okay, plus your lot sizes are really
manageable.
not over leveraged. Okay,
Correct.
so you can afford to just sit on it for a little while.
Yes.
Okay, so
And the
that's a good
fees
thing.
aren't, I think the fees, the size of the fees as well, they're manageable. So all the
Yeah.
swap fees and commissions that come along with holding something for long term,
Mm-hmm.
um, are not like time sensitive. Whereas, yeah, when I had some of the larger movement,
Yep.
shorter, holding for shorter, and then, some of the Aussie US dollars stuff that got out of control, my lot sizes were a lot higher. So, some of those fees were stacking up to like
Yeah.
$50, $60. So this method of trading, I feel like it's a lot calmer in that regard. It's not as like freak out,
Not
but
stressful.
you do have to be patient.
Yeah.
Yeah, and wait it out.
Yeah. Well, that's pretty much all you got to do because
Mm,
all it does is go up and down, up and down, up and down.
yeah.
Even if it
Well,
goes up and up and up and up and up, sooner or later it will come back
yeah.
down. But yeah, I don't know. That one's
No, no.
looking like my
Um,
typical trades. That's how my trades always go.
I don't
Exactly
think
like
it's
that.
ever, I just don't think it's ever come. This is the highest it's ever been, though, that from what I can see.
Oh, okay.
Going back to 2020, let's see, 2006,
Oh, okay.
it's never been up this high.
Okay. Well, maybe that's a good thing. Maybe it's not going to stay up there for long.
Well, I don't know.
It's not going to get higher and higher and higher. I think you'll be okay.
Yeah.
It's all
All right.
right.
Well, I'm
That.
holding. I did have a moment where so I do check in with my chat GPT every now and again with my trades.
Hmm.
I feel like it calms me down sometimes because it's like another voice of reason and it's instant feedback. Um, and yeah, it was sort of saying
You
maybe
haven't
cut the
thought about putting another cell up round about where it is now?
um I have, but I was thinking it's maybe too close to my other cells,
Oh, okay.
but I can share my screen and show you.
Yep. Yeah.
That one.
Pan out. Give me a look at the big picture. See what's happening.
Yeah, we'll have a look at the big, 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 big picture. All right, is it sharing my screen yet?
No, I still got the same one.
Share this one.
Hmm. Yeah, that's looking
Mm,
okay. I don't know. I think you'll be all right. I think it'll come back. I think it'll
do you
come
think
back to
so?
you.
All right, so this is a
Oh,
big,
okay.
big,
All
big
right.
picture.
Ooh, yeah.
And this is on the
Okay.
daily.
Geez, the Japanese yen, shit. Because I'm in this Australian Japanese yen as well, the Aussie dollar, and it looks pretty much exactly like that as well. Everything's just rocketing up against the yen.
I
Are,
think
are the Japanese deliberately like making the yen like low to help their exports, or are they manipulating their currency? What's happening with the yen?
I don't
Mm.
know. But yeah, so you can see it has had, its ups and downs,
And then
up,
up and up and up.
down, up,
Yeah.
minor pullback, up.
Oh shit! Wow.
So
Okay.
that's my trade.
It's all right.
So you can see where I got in.
Yeah.
I got in, let's go to a smaller. You can see I got in down here. Where was
Mm-hmm.
it? Down here. I was like, it's at the top of its game. It's going to come down. And look at
Mm.
this gap in the market. Surely it's going
Yeah.
to come fill that. Because there's a big gap in the market. Surely it'll want to go doo
Oh,
doo doo.
surely, yeah, but no.
But
Wonder
yeah,
what happened there.
it did
Wonder what
not fill
happened
it.
there.
I don't know.
Don't know.
I'd have to look into some previous, reading. I'd need to look into some news or something. So
Mm.
yeah, I got in here.
Okay.
Yeah, that's where I got in. So obviously it has come up and
All
come
right.
back down. I didn't think it was going to go back up. I was thinking it'll
Yeah.
continue coming,
Yeah, because it's
doing
come
the
up and
normal.
it's hit some. Yeah, I
Yeah,
see why you got in there because it's you got some resistance here, some support here. It
yeah.
went
So
down through retest and maybe come on down. Yeah,
correct. I thought it might bounce around here,
yeah.
um, but it just continued up.
Up. Okay.
And obviously, I put in another cell up here
Yeah.
because obviously there were no other real support and resistance levels
No.
between there. So
Mhm.
when it was here, I was like, oh, okay, so it's done, it's up, it's coming down. Let's put a cell in.
Yeah. Okay.
And then this was another previous cell level that I put in
Oh,
because
okay.
I thought it was coming back down. So we were in the green or we were in the blue for a little bit
A
there
little bit.
while
A little bit.
a little bit before it bounced back up. But
Oh, okay. So you got three sell orders in
I've
on
got
this
three
trade.
sell orders on this trade,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
So
What
yeah, like you
else?
said, it's
What-
only small, so I'm
Yeah.
not freaking out about it.
Yeah. Sit on it. I think you'll be okay. I
Yeah.
think. I think it'll be okay.
Mm.
Anyway, what else have you got going on?
That's all I have going on. I've closed the Aussie JPY that
Oh,
you
wise
like,
move.
buy it.
Wise
You were like,
move.
buy it. And then I don't know, I was looking into the chart and I was thinking, this is not go like it was in blue, it was going
Mm,
well, it was still positive, but it me and chat decided that it was time to close it. So we closed.
okay, that was
Um,
good. Good idea. I'm still in
yeah,
it, and it's a mess. Don't know why
yeah,
I still get into that trade. I'm going to delete it after I get out of this
yeah,
AUD JPY. I'm going to
yeah,
delete it from my
yeah.
list of
Well, that's
pairs.
what I did
Horrible.
last night. Last night, I actually went through my list
Mm,
and deleted everything out of there because obviously, when you start your account, it comes with default stuff. So
yep.
I went through and I really cleaned it all up. So you can see I've just got what I'm trading,
Yeah.
um,
Okay.
just the majors.
Yep.
Um, so CHF, JPY, you can't delete it because you're trading it. So,
Yeah.
um, and I've got Euro USD, Great British Pound, AUD JPY, and AU USD because apparently these are all beginner friendly. So
Okay.
I might, I don't know, um, with your guidance, maybe
Okay.
experience, knowledge.
We'll see.
Um, well, that's the beginner level. So
Okay.
maybe I'll stick with that. But yeah, it's been a very volatile fortnight, I think, with
Yeah.
trading. The things that would normally follow the rules are not following the rules. So there's massive market manipulation and stuff. So I'm going to use gold. I know you don't trade gold, but I'm going to use gold as an example. So gold, when gold goes up, silver goes up, the dollar index goes down. And there's
Okay.
been a lot of times where it's not following that rule. So that means when things are not aligned, they're being manipulated.
Okay.
So yeah, I,
Just
I'm
imagine having that much money, you can manipulate the price of
yeah,
gold and the US
yeah,
dollar.
Well, I've learned so much about gold, right, just in the last couple of weeks about the order blocks. And I've
Mm,
noticed a particular movement where the banks like to do liquidity sweeps, and I've been
okay.
riding a lot of the liquidity sweeps. So it'll
Yep.
come into a particular level, it'll consolidate for ages in this one level, and then it'll just drop down like a waterfall.
Yeah.
And then it'll do the same thing at the bottom. It'll pick certain levels, which I don't know how to. I can only identify when it's happening, when the consolidation is happening.
Mm,
I'm like, it's consolidating. The banks are collecting orders. They're going to come and sweep this area.
yeah. Take everyone's stop losses.
Correct. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I've identified that just in the last day or so. So, I don't know, taking less trades and making more money. Because when it's a waterfall, the waterfall, yeah, it just moves so fast. Like it goes through all the orders, whatever in
Yeah.
that block is.
And it
It
usually
just,
comes back pretty quick too. You see it goes
it
down,
does.
and then they take everyone's money, and then they get out, and it just goes straight back
Yep.
up. And then there's a big
Right.
long wick like that just coming out of
Yeah.
nowhere. Yeah.
Yeah. So
And,
obviously, currency pairs don't really do that, do
mm,
they? They don't.
no, not as severe. Not like crypto. Oh, crypto is so
Oh,
manipulated. That's
crypto's
unbelievable.
very manipulated. It's very liquid and it
Yeah.
doesn't follow any of the rules. So obviously, I follow some simple moving averages,
Mm-hmm.
the 200, 20, and 8. And when everything aligns for me, that's when I know I can safely get into a trade. Um, but
That's
yeah.
it. Just be patient.
Yes, I've really learned that this week to just be patient. Just
Mm,
wait for a trade. You
yeah.
don't have to trade. Um, just be patient. The move will play out if you are patient, and that's what these order blocks and consolidation in gold, like I've really seen that, and it's been a really good learning curve.
Yeah. Yeah.
Um, but yeah, so I feel like I can make trading work for me. Like I'm not going to be making squillions or anything, but I'll make something. I'm going to be
Yeah. But
patient.
what
It's
you do,
really
you
been a lesson.
just start off with a small account and like what you're doing now because you're still learning and
Mm,
yeah, it's hard, man. You think it'd be
mm.
easy. Oh, okay, it's going to go up, it's going to go down. Oh, no, man, it's a lot more to it than that.
To the
And
side, up and down,
yeah,
and
I know. But what you have to do, just find something that works for you. I know you're trying out a few things. You tried out DCA and your support resistance zones.
Mm.
You were trying on stop losses before, weren't you? Yeah, trying.
I was, yes, but
Okay.
like we just spoke about with gold, it hunts those stop losses with
Okay.
that liquidity sweep. So, um, stop losses, I'm not a big fan of stop losses unless I'm doing one of those trades where it's definitely moving in that one direction. So it's
Okay.
definitely moving in that one direction. You move your stop loss into the positive so that if it does come back down, you're at least closing in positive. You're not closing in negative.
Hmm. And
Yeah.
you still can't get your head around hedging.
Hedging, well, hedging, no. I
That's
haven't been
fine.
brave enough to hedge. I've only done that on gold when I was
Okay.
in really big red.
Hmm.
And then I had my line in the sand and it stop hunted me in one of those liquidity sweeps
Oh,
and
okay.
while I was sleeping. So I lost
Oh,
a bit of
nasty.
money on that. But you see, I just couldn't stay up all night to watch it
Yeah, well,
and
that's
get a
you do.
peace of mind. So it was a very expensive lesson, but there's
Okay.
nothing wrong with that. That's okay.
Well, that's it. It's all experience. Everything's a
Yeah,
lesson, learning every day, pretty much. So,
correct. And
which strategy do you think you more comfortable with? DCA,
um,
the stop loss, or?
I think I'm comfortable with these small lot sizes
Yeah,
and doing the well, what are we doing? Dollar cost
DCA.
averaging in.
Yeah, dollar
Yeah,
cost
DCA.
averaging.
So I'm comfortable with that on small lot sizes. I'm
Yeah,
happy to let them run because the fees aren't high. It's a patient, slow grind. It's
yeah,
not like some of the other trades that I've been doing. And I think now that I've identified the gold movement,
yeah.
I am happy to do the odd trade here and there on gold when I can identify safely that
Yes.
it is doing its consolidation and silver lines up and the dollar index lines up with the movement. Because if they're
Okay.
not moving like in synchronized movement, then it's not going to go your way.
Yeah,
So it's again a lesson in patience and making sure all your confluences match up to to give you that profit.
that's
Um,
good.
because I don't want to be gambling because a lot of the times you are looking at the charts and it's like going up or going down and it's a bit of a gamble. But yeah, you may as well go to the casino. Like there
Yeah,
is in the movement of the market, it moves for a reason. Like, yeah. So,
but that's
um,
that's good. What was I going to say? Because what about the support and resistance? It looks because on this trade, it looks like you're starting to get the support and resistance sort of. You've got that pretty
yes.
well wired now, okay? Because look, you place
Yeah.
this one, this resistance there, support there,
Yeah.
support
So,
here, okay?
yeah,
So
and obviously I put my take profit down here.
yeah,
I've taken these trades here and I think I've put my take profit here so that if for the two trades that I'm in,
yeah,
so if they come back down here to here, then I can at least close my other one, either
okay.
in like a break even or, in a small loss or
Okay, so
whatever.
that'd be a break even point down around here somewhere.
Yeah.
Okay,
So we'll see. We'll see.
yeah,
We'll see how it moves next week. We'll
yeah.
just wait and see.
Probably won't do much today, but yeah, next week, yeah.
No. Yeah, even today I was watching gold towards the close of the New York session and it was
Mm-hmm.
just yeah, not it was just not moving. It was, the candle is red, green, red, green, red, green. Like it's
Okay,
crazy. The volumes are low.
yeah,
It's not moving in the moving average in line with moving average. It's just all over the shop. So it's a bit of a dog's breakfast. I
okay,
think I'll wait until next week to see what happens. I might just watch some more to in the Asia session. I might watch for that consolidation and liquidity sweep.
okay.
Um, but so there's two types of waterfalls. There's a slow waterfall and a fast waterfall. So there's one that is like a slow grind. You can see it go slow, small
Mm-hmm.
wick, small candles, slow, 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 and it gets to your take profit. Whereas the one that I really enjoy is the one where you can see it just move real fast from one zone to another zone.
Okay.
Of course, you don't want to be sitting in like some gold trades because I've experienced it being in red, like massive red. And it's very stressful.
See, you like the action, don't you? You like
Um,
the.
I
That's why.
not really, because you can see I'm being patient for that other one.
Okay.
But now that I've identified this gold pattern, I don't mind making money on gold either.
Okay. There. Good.
Yeah, I think it's just they're different strategies. They're different strategies for gold and different strategy for
But
pairs.
they all pretty much work the same, even if you're just doing stocks or forex or crypto to a certain sense. Crypto's crazy,
Yeah,
but
it's
you know
crazy.
what I
I
mean.
can't do crypto.
Yeah, I can't. I don't know. I've lost some big money trying to trade crypto. God, that just goes up,
Yeah.
smash, bang. No, it's crazy. Um, all right, so that's it. That's it for you. That's all you've got, eh? All
Yeah,
right,
sorry, just taking it slow, learning small
that's
steps,
good. That's good.
nothing over the top. I'm just
That's
I
good.
think that's all
Um,
my brain can manage, so I can sleep at night.
yeah, well, that's it. You know, you can't just sit there looking at the screen all day and all night waiting for it to move. That's what I like about the 1 hour, 4 hour, and the daily. You don't have to sit there and watch it. You can just check it like every couple of hours or something.
Yeah,
Especially
yeah.
if you got your trade planned out
Mm,
for, like if it goes against me, okay, I'm going to put another, I'll say, sell order here, and there's
yeah.
more support resistance up here. I'll put another sell order there, and then it
Mm,
just like plays out automatically by itself. You don't
yeah.
have to sit there and watch it, which is a good thing, unless you like sitting there and watching
Mm,
candles go do 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 do.
no.
Yeah, I don't know, but you just got to find something that works for you, and then it's
Mm,
just pretty much just rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. It gets boring, okay, because you're just doing the
yeah.
same thing over and over and over again, okay.
Mm,
But it's good because you can make some profit. You can get some money.
mm,
Like
mm.
what I done, okay, or what I'm doing because I don't have a giant account. Okay, I started off with a small account and a couple of $100, say, and a couple of hundred Aussie dollars, and just doing like you do, like you're doing now. Put
Mm,
like small, really small lot sizes.
mm.
Just take a bit of profit, keep building it up, and the bigger the account gets, then the lot sizes also start getting bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, you have to like start off like baby crawling and then you start to walk and then
Mm,
you have to build it up. But
yeah.
yeah, the problem is though with DCA and that kind of thing, um your account is your stop loss.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah,
The
pretty
amount of
much.
money you have in your account is your stop loss. Okay, so when that gets wiped out, that's when you get wiped out, that's it. Okay, because
Yeah.
there is no stop loss. Yeah, you can always pull out early and take the loss, take the hit. Okay, or you can close the lower trades in loss,
Mm,
if you know what I mean, to stop them accumulating more drawdown.
mm.
There's lots of different things you can do. But I think you're on the right track at the moment. You're identifying the support resistance zones. Your lot sizes are small.
Yeah.
Um, yeah, and you're experimenting, you're playing around. Um, Hedging. Ooh, yeah, okay. Just stick with this. I think,
Yeah.
I'm not telling you what to
I'll
do.
I'll
Just
get to
stick with
hedging, I
DCAing
think.
at the moment on the
Yeah.
support and resistance zones. Okay, because it's really basic and it does work. It is effective.
Mm,
Okay, so I think that's good. Just keep the lot sizes small and keep picking these support and resistance zones where you think it might reverse. Okay,
mm.
and it looks like you're doing that. And just be patient. When you're on the 1 hour, 4 hour, and that kind of thing. Okay, you're talking days, even like a week. You know what I mean? Especially
We're
when it
eight
goes
days
against you
counting.
like this. Especially when it goes against you like this. Now you're going to
Mm.
have to wait until it comes all the way back down to here. So you could be in this trade for like 2 weeks.
Well, it's been 2 weeks. So I got in on the 10th of November
Oh, there
and
you
it's
go.
21st.
Okay. And then you'll end up getting out of break even and be like,
Well, I'll know not to trade this pair unless
yeah,
there's lots of volatility in the world,
see, that's
and
good.
then
Exactly
I
like that.
will
That's it. But at
buy,
least,
buy, not sell.
even if you get out of break even, okay, you still didn't lose any money.
Mm,
Okay, you still didn't lose any money. and you were wrong how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. You made 4 wrong trades,
Yep.
incorrect, went against you, and you still get out break even.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so that's good. It's a good thing. It's not a bad thing. Okay.
Yeah.
Anything else you want to add? We're about to run out of time. Got
No,
4 minutes
I thought
left.
maybe you might want to hop in, and how long do you think you need for your trades?
Oh, my trades were a mess. All right, I'll give you a quick look. Got about 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Let's have a look. I'll share you my screen. I'm in big trouble here. Okay, this is my mess that I'm in. All right, so this is the Aussie JPY again. I don't know why I get into this trade. I'm deleting this pair when I after I get out of this trade. So anyway, this is hedging gone wrong because I got in here. I put a buy. I put a buy in here somewhere.
Sorry, can you reshare your screen?
Can't see it.
No.
Huh. Okay, I'll stop sharing and reshare. Share.
Oh,
Can
here
you
we
see it
go.
now?
Yep.
Okay. All right. So this is my trade. All right. I got in down here. Got the sell order here. And of course, it just bounced off. Uh, this is a hedge. This one. This is a buy order, but it looks like it's pulling back down. So if this can come down to, hopefully, this will come down to here for a break even, or down here, and I'll just take profit from this sell order. And the other one I'm in, the EUR-CHF, this one's not too bad. Again, sell order, sell order. Okay, I hedged this one. I took a hedge here. Okay, so I got profit from that hedge. Okay, and just need this one to pop down to here, and I'll take profit from this hedge and
So
this sell
when are
order.
you going to be closing your hedge? Where are
It's
you closing?
closed. I
Like,
closed it already.
oh, okay, yep, yep.
Okay, see this
So you
blue
put
line
another
here?
sell in?
Okay, because I got in here, see this red one? I got in there,
Yep.
and then it was going up against me, so I put a buy order, and then it went up to here, okay, where there was some resistance and support, okay. So I put another sell order and closed this hedge, this buy order, okay. So what you do with your hedge, you put so okay, in this case, it's a sell. You put your buy order pretty much where you would put your stop loss. Okay. So if it goes up through your stop loss, in this case, your buy order, okay, and then it goes, just let that ride up until the next zone and put a sell order, take the profit from the buy, and hopefully it bounces off like this is going to do. And then take a profit.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's how you do it. So put your, in this case, say I would have put my stop loss there, okay? So it come up, instead would have stopped me out, but didn't stop me out because I put the hedge. And then it come up to the next support resistance zone. I put a sell order at that zone, closed that hedge in profit, and now goes down. And again, just rinse and repeat, like I said before. If it went through, if it kept going up, okay, I'd put another buy order